Welcome to the School of Liberal Arts and Sciences at Presidency University, where ideas grow, perspectives expand, and learning goes beyond textbooks. We believe education is not just about earning a degree. It is about understanding people, society, culture, and the world around us. Our language lab helps students build strong communication skills through interactive learning in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The psychology lab offers an engaging space to explore human behavior through creative and hands-on learning. Beyond classrooms, platforms like the Humanscape Club encourage dialogue on literature, psychology, culture, and society. School of Liberal Arts and Sciences offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD programs designed to build knowledge, research skills, and interdisciplinary thinking. From performing arts to seminars and workshops, students learn, create, and grow through diverse experiences. School of Liberal Arts and Sciences, Presidency University. Expand your horizons.